Hi, my name's Linda Vine and I'm an artist living on the south coast of England. I have a background in design and illustration. First of all, in the carpet industry, designing the patterns of carpets. I then went into colour separation for textiles and then into the greetings card industry where I stayed for many years before going freelance. I've seen many of my illustrations in print for different companies. But in 2014 I really felt I'd found my passion, which was creating landscape and seascape paintings. I hope by doing this class you too will feel really inspired and go out into the landscape and find your own sense of wonder and portray that on your own canvas. I'm going to go through it step by step so it's easy to understand, from choosing a surface to use, how to prepare that surface, the brushes that you'll need, the types of paints you'll need and what to look out for in acrylic paint. I'm going to go through basic colour mixing, and I'm also going to show you how to finish off your painting by varnishing it and putting the fixings on the back. I really want you to relax and enjoy this class, knowing that I'm going to go through it step by step. So get yourself a nice cup of tea and let's get started.
Are you ready? I'm ready, let's get started.